Hi, so this video series is about the new database Oracle. So first we download the software from oracle.com. So I will write Oracle database 23 AI. So follow the first link, database 23 AI free, and once that page is open you can see the database is freely available. So currently it is not available for the Windows user, but for hands-on and explore its feature, we can download it on the shape of VM. So Oracle has created a complete VM uh, which containing the Linux 8.7 version and its database Oracle 23 AI. As they mention on their website for Windows that their on-premises version will be available soon. So let's download the image of our VM. This is basically Oracle Virtual Box VM image. So let's start the download. Once it's completed, it will take a few moments as the file is 5.7 gigabytes, so it will take a while. So finally our VM is important, and now we will start it. For start, right click the VM and normal start. So the base memory for our VM is 4 GB and 2 processor. So now it's starting our VM. It will take a while. So after starting the first, it will uploaded its packages. So our VM is start. The Oracle user is by default available in our VM. It also depends upon our system resources, so you can update your resources if you have that. So finally the VM is start, so you can see two terminal windows are open already. That are for ORDS, and our Apex is already running. So upon the start you can see our VirtualBox guest edition update is available, and Firefox is also needs to restart. So update we will minimize our windows, and we go to devices and insert guest edition. Actually we will update our guest edition, so you can see it's installing the image now. Our update will automatically start, just click the run. As we start the update, it needs authentication. The default password is Oracle, ORACLE, in small caps. So the update is start now. After the completion of updation, we just press enter. So we will restart our VM now because we have updated our VM. So let's restart. Okay, restart. So after the restart, now it's again reloading its packages that it has updated. So let's wait for its updation. So finally our VM is booted now. Again you can see the two terminal windows are open. And the Firefox is also open. Now it's not giving any update error. So you can see the two links here, the launch Apex and launch SQL Web. As a configuration information, we have Oracle home path, our SQL Web, Apex, SQL CL, DB API. So as our ORDS is running now, the REST data source, which is used for running the Apex, so we will access the Apex link now, and the SQL Web is also running on REST. So for running the Apex, we just need to go to Apex and click the go icon. For SQL Server Web, we will enter our credentials. I will enter the user HR and his password is Oracle. For starting the Apex, we will enter to our internal workspace with admin user and password is Oracle. Sign in. Don't save. The information available for the database is available in this readme file. Here we have the information about our free database. We have two SID, the password for every thing is Oracle. We have sample schemas, the ports available for REST and database are mentioned, and the links for our application access. The HR user is also enabled with REST and the default password is Oracle. So let's go to our Apex now. This is our internal workspace. This is our web and we are logging with HR schema. So we will manage our workspaces here. The SQL Web is containing all the features available in this database. So we open that SQL and we can navigate to our schema tables here. Let's open our countries table. We can also upload the data from external source. We can add indexes, edit. Let's open. as our sample schema also containing the data. We have REST here. So HR schema is already enabled with REST. We have 7 REST services available. So we can copy our link and paste it with new tab. We have the option of charts here. Let's click charts. So we can create the charts and dashboards here. There are two options, charts and dashboard. Now I am accessing the API from outside, so you can see my tables here, and I will create a chart now. For creating the chart, I have already designed these 3 queries, and let's create a dashboard first. Enter your dashboard name here. Dashboard description is also compulsory, and we can set the privileges. Create. So you can see it has created our dashboard. We can add charts on that. So let's create a chart now. Creating the chart, click new chart. The chart name is mandatory. The chart description is also. We can also set the privileges here. So here we will enter our query. Let's run the query first. So it's a valid query. You can see it's returning the data with no error. Just paste the query. It will load the chart option automatically in a while. So you can see we have a chart, many chart types here, as we has in our Apex. So let's go with the area chart, horizontal, and preview. So you can see it's loading our data and chart now. Just click the create. So our first chart is created. In the same way we will create our second chart. So my second chart is job wise employees not protected. Next, I will enter my second query now. First I will run my query, so we can check it said no error. So no error, just paste. It will load the chart option automatically. You can also enter the so the chart option is available now. I will choose bar chart, vertical, and just click the preview. It will load our data, so you can see the chart is loaded now. Click create. So our two charts are created now. We will create dashboard. Put our charts on dashboard now. For that, click dashboard. Our dashboard we was created recently, and we will edit it actually. Edit. We can set the column option. I will set 3 charts at the row. I will choose the chart from my drop down list. You can see there all charts are available that I have created. It has a display option also for refreshing the data, which is automatically manually. You can also turn it off. So it will load the data in a while. Meanwhile, we can select. Okay, save and preview. So you can see it's loaded our chart data. Now we can see the data. We can copy the URL from here and publish it on any new tab. It will open our chart in a larger view. Let's create the third chart now. Just click the create new chart. The chart name, my last chart name is top 10 salaries. Description, top 10 salaries. Employees not protected. Next, paste the query here. It will give us the option to selecting chart automatically in a while. Select your chart type. I will choose pie chart and a 3D option, and we can click preview. So you can see it's loaded. Create. Now I will add my third chart on my dashboard. I will edit my dashboard and add my remaining two charts we have created. The second one is HR employee jobs. Select, and the third is my from drop down list is top 10 salaries. So it's top 10 salaries here. Select, just save and preview. So you can see here all our charts data is loaded now.